bienvenidos a mi canal. Yo soy Michelle Soto por si no me conocen. Pero hoy tengo a mi cómplice que Ok. El video de hoy se va a tratar, le vamos a hacer una pequeña broma a su hermana que es mi mejor amiga. Y la broma se trata que diciéndole que no quiero ser su amiga, o sea, que es una amiga muy fea, muy terrible. Y ella va a ser mi cómplice y espero que salga bien este video. Y ahorita voy a esconder la cámara para que vean toda su reacción, ¿ok? Ahí nos vemos arriba, bye. No, I just... How am I supposed to fucking tell her?
Es que la voy a decir, es que déjate con tu razón porque me estaba doliendo mucho la panza. I had to go do like number 2 or whatever.
Ajá.
And that's when I go to your sister's room. Y luego, that's when cuando...
I don't know, I hope que se vea ahí. Cause es que ahí no se hace stand up. Pero like we'll see him reacting aquí.
No, she's not gonna notice.
Yeah, she's not. How should we tell her?
Que I have to go to the washroom y luego tú quieres a la casa.
Oh, okay. Tell her first. Ya va a empezar la broma, espero que salga en un éxito. Turn off, put the blinds on.
Okay.
Porque I feel like it's too like, I don't know. Está muy oscurito y luego it gives me like the yellow light, right? Okay, so like, this is not like this is serious. Like, I'm probably gonna laugh a little because I'm kind of nervous. Like, it gives me like a nervous laugh.
Yeah.
I don't know how to say this. Like, it's okay. So the past couple of days, like, te estoy notando like hella distance. Like when I even cuando te saludo, you're like, oh hi, or like you're like, I don't know. I think like you're annoyed, and that's good because I get like everybody's annoyed, you know, like they need their days, but it's like a lot, and I've been like, I don't know, thinking if like, I don't know, que si te caigo mal, o a veces donde cuando me saludas en los hallways you're like, no sé, acting weird, right? And then well, I feel it's because Jackie told me something that I've been like not hiding but like been avoiding it because I didn't believe it. And then she told, like, me empezó a decir mucho. She's like, no, like she's doing this, and I'm like, she's been telling me stuff, but I'm like, no, Isabella's not like that, I know her, right? Y luego, she's been telling me that you were like, you kept talking shit about me, and I was like, no, what the hell?
Yo a ti?
Yes. And she's like, I'm gonna actually tell you because I'm not a fake friend.
Since when have I talked bad about you? I have not talked bad about
low key, I do kind of believe her because, I mean, I don't doubt it, dude. That
I've been doing fine. Es que cuando te saludo, sí te saludo, because es que estamos knowing that we can hang out as much as we used to. Y luego, like, I had to go to class, y luego, pues, todo lo que está pasando, like, como Valeria has stressed me out a lot.
What do you mean?
Que ya no se sienta con nosotros y piensa que nosotros, we've been doing something to her, but we never done anything.
Exactly, but that's not my problem. And you shouldn't take it out on me.
But I have not been talking bad about you.
Well, that's what she's telling me, and I kind of do believe her.
¿Qué te está diciendo ella, Kelly?
Well, that you've just been talking, like, I don't know, when you get mad, like, you've just been talking trash and, like, stuff like that. I don't doubt it, because you've been, like, kind of, like, distance and, like, kind of, like, hi, how are you? But it's just, like, I don't believe her at the same time, but I kind of do. But, like, I mean, if you want to be fake like that...
If I'm going to tell you something straight to your face, I'll say it. I'm not going to hide it behind.
Well, I mean, you're sisters and you could talk like shit if you want, but I mean, just don't do it like, don't talk shit con Jackie because me va a decir a mí, ¿me entiendes?
Sí, pero ahorita la voy a olvidar. I'm gonna talk to Jackie porque yo nunca haven't talked shit about you. Nunca.
Well, I don't know, that's why I've been como que lo he estado como que así como que no, así no es Isabela, and like, I don't know, she's been telling me that, no sé, like, it's weird. But like, low key, como que ya no quiero, like, ya no, I don't want to hang out with you anymore. por eso.
I seriously have not been, like, not talking anything about behind your back.
Pues que eso es lo que me dice y no sé, like, yo estoy confundida ahorita. Y estoy tratando de mantener este friendship, like, together, pero no puedo porque, like, it hurts. Sí, ¿quién es?
Jackie.
Pásale.
¿Dónde?
Pásale. ¿Eh?
¿Qué? What did you do like that? Dude. What? ¿Por qué le estás diciendo a Michelle that I've been talking shit about her? Because you have. No, I haven't. In lunch, oh no, in lunch no, pero in lunch and what? I have not been talking anything. You have. Tell me when I have been talking behind her back. At home. At home saying what? She's your best friend.
Sí.
I never said that. Yes, you did. I never said that. I'm laughing because I'll get nervous. Because whenever you guys are fighting. You're laughing because it's not true. I know it's not true. Yeah, okay, fine. It is true. It is true. It's not true. ¿Qué le digo? What have I been saying? She's been like very distant and like. That's only thing I said. Saludas tú, like you're like, oh my gosh, ya viene.
Yeah, that's what I've been telling her. I don't know why you keep acting like that.
Dude, I swear, that's how así es mi carácter. Yo no.
But you don't have to take it out on me, dude. Like, if you have something going on, like, fix it. Pero conmigo, like, no, dude.
Yo no he hecho nada.
Well, it's que no sé if it's true that she's been, like, you've been talking shit or something.
Yes, you have been distant. Yes, we haven't been hanging out. But I never been talking shit behind your back.
Well, I don't know. Pero es que, like, I get it. Okay, anybody could talk shit about each other. Pero, like, you do it every day, and that's what gets me pissed off.
I don't even do it every day. I don't care about that. I don't do it every day. I don't even do it. Sometimes you do. Saying what? Tell me, what do I say behind your back already? Like,
ya le dije que I'm not gonna be hanging out with her, and it's gonna be me and her. So, like, you better, like, start, like, finding out your own friends. Cause it's a you've been acting this is because we haven't hanged out.
Yeah, you're recording.
I like you because you're honest and you tell me shit in my face.
Are you recording this?
Yeah. No, dude, it was a prank. We had to get you.
We had to get you, dude, like somehow.
We're gonna get her, eh? Like, this is still on.
That's why we're like doing like weird stuff.
I know.
Like, I wanna film a TikTok with you, y pues, you know.
It went good. Thumbs up if you like the prank. You're like, you look confused. You're like, what the hell?
¿Por qué estás llorando? Porque sí. Why would I say things behind Michelle's back?
That's funny. I couldn't. I no me aguantaba la risa, dude.
Oh my god.
You know, she came and she's like,
I'm like right here, like cutting, like already, cause I know you're like about to cry, like. Dude, I was about to cry.
Really? What did you think?
Like, I was surprised because you never act that way.
Yeah, dude, I was even surprised. I'm like, you better start finding your own friends because I'm not gonna hang out.
Yo, okay, como así, like, oh my god, my heart dropped.
Ay, that's so funny. Bueno, denle un like si les gustaron estas bromas. Y para la otra vamos a agarrar a su hermana que se llama Jacqueline, que está grabando por aquí. Por favor, comenten. Y pues, sí.
You guys got me.
Ya sé. Empezó a llorar. Yo no pensé que iba a llorar, pero pues sí. Bueno, ya nos vemos. Bye. Bye.